So, ayan, ito na nga ang regalo ni Ma'am Cha sa akin. So, uulitin ko lang ulit yung pagbasa ng sobre. Ma'am Cha, maraming salamat talaga. Thank you so much for being my guwapa na sister here in Nashville, Tennessee, na talagang agad-agad nalalapitan. She's the manager in the bank. Ayan, happy birthday to you. Ayan. Belated happy birthday, Guaps Angela. I wish you nothing but good health since you already have everything in life. Ugoy, tabang mga langit, makulbaan tani. And enjoy your special dinner night. Much love, Ma'am Cha. Diba? So, i-check natin kung ano yung laman ng box. Mahiya naman tayo nito. Late na. Si Ma'am Cha talaga yung nag-insist na mag-celebrate tayo ng birthday mo. Ay, kakain lang sa labas. So, lumabas kami today and we celebrate our dinner sa Sunda. Kasama ang iba pa mga friends. So, thank you so much once again, Roxanne. And of course, to, what they call this? Roxanne and GJ and yung isa. So, Sisi, thank you. Yan. Buksan natin yung gift. Kalimutan ko yung pa. Wow! Wala, oy. Mugwapa na gid ko ani, no? Diba? Napaka-perfect. Especially for you. It's a card with, mga flowers. So, anong laman nito? Diba? Merong, what do you call this? Bubble bath. When you go mag-hot tub ka, all you have to do is to put this in the water. O, diba? That's really perfect. And this one is, I don't know what's this. I don't have an idea what's this, guys. But, yeah. Hindi ko pa alam. Maybe I need to remove this one. Ay! Ayan! Umilaw siya. Very beautiful. Yan, all you have to do is put it back. Uy, ang ganda, ha? Thank you, Ma'am Cha. Very cute. And I have a rose essential oil, sabon. And I have another sabon here with a heart. And this one is, I don't know what's this. Diba? Alam mo naman ako, no? Hindi ako. Wow! Scented candle. Very amazing. And of course, a very nice mug. Oh, diba? Now, a day over fabulous. Shala! Diba? So, once again, Ma'am Cha, thank you so much. Alam mo ba kung saan ito mapunta? Itatago ko na naman. Itatago ko na naman to and hindi ko na naman to magagamit kagaya ng una niyang binigay sa akin na perfume ng Coach. Diba? So, dyan lang yan. Hindi talaga yan magagamit, guys. Yan. Ang mga regalo sa akin, itatabi ko lang yan and then I just keep it. Ganyan ako. No? And I don't know if this is another card. Ayan lang siya. Design lang siya. Especially for you design. Ayan. So, ayan. So, ayoko masira siya. So, I will just keep it again. And ilagay sa taas. I love you, Ma'am Cha. Thank you so much once again sa lahat sa inyo. We love you. Mwah.